Hi everyone! Welcome to the Food Safety and Quality Team Food Preservation video series. In this video, we will learn how to select and prepare jars and lids for canning. Let's get started. When choosing jars for processing, whether water bath or pressure canning, it is best to use standard canning jars. Standard canning jars are tempered to withstand processing multiple times. It is important not to reuse jars purchased from a store because they are not usually made for processing more than once. Always follow the recommended jar size specified in the recipe. Otherwise, it could lead to bacteria, mold, yeast, and even toxin formation in the foods that are not processed correctly. Next, inspect new and/or old jars for nicks on the rim and cracks on the sides or bottom. Then inspect lids and ring bands. Flat lids are used only once. Never reuse because they may not seal correctly the second time. Do not use old, dented, deformed lids or ones with missing gasket compound. Ring or screw bands can be reused over and over and over as long as they are free from rust, dents, or deformities that could prevent a proper seal. After inspection, wash jars in hot, soapy water by hand washing or by using a dishwasher. All jam and jelly recipes that process products for less than 10 minutes should be processed in sterilized jars. After washing, place the jars on the canner rack and submerge with at least 1 inch of water over the top of the jars. Bring the water to a boil and let the jars boil for 10 minutes. For smaller batches of foods, like jelly, you can just leave the jars in the water bath canner until you are ready to pour the product in. Otherwise, if you need more jars for larger batches, you can keep the jars warm by placing them on a cookie sheet, about 6 to 8 per tray, and place them in the oven at the lowest heat setting of around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Now to canning lids. Check the manufacturer's recommendations when preparing canning lids. Some do not require preheating and perform better by simply washing in hot, soapy water, drying, and setting aside until use. I hope today's video is helpful in preparing your jars and lids for canning.
For more information, check out our website at www.aces.edu.